Welcome to Review Rumble. The best fretboard cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked guitar maintenance tools, but trust me, it's a game changer. Over time, your fretboard accumulates grime, sweat, and dead skin cells, which can affect your guitar's tone and playability. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of fretboard cleaners, exploring different types, application techniques, and why keeping your fretboard clean is essential for any guitarist. Number 5. D'Addario Lemon Oil, Guitar Fretboard Oil. Introducing D'Addario Lemon Oil, a natural solution for your guitar. This oil is designed to clean and condition the fretboard, keeping it in top shape. This product effectively removes dirt, grease, and any buildup from the unfinished wood of your instrument. It's perfect for all string instruments. The lemon oil restores the natural moisture and appearance of your fretboard. This helps prevent drying, cracks, and other potential damages. By conditioning the wood, it helps your instrument resist dryness. This can prevent cracks and significantly extend the life of your guitar. The oil leaves the fretboard feeling silky smooth. It won't cause any buildup, ensuring your guitar plays and feels its best. What we like. This cleaner uses natural ingredients to remove dirt and grime, keeping your fretboard healthy. If you are looking for a product that not only cleans but also conditions to prevent cracks and extend the life of your fretboard, you should consider this. It will leave your fretboard feeling silky smooth. What people say. Good stuff. Enough for dozens of applications. Must have for setups and/or restringing. It cleaned up one neck very easily, the second neck took a bit of elbow grease but it got the job done. Works like a charm and definitely worth the cheap price. Number 4. MusicNomad Total Fretboard Care, MN144. This kit is designed to keep your fretboard in top condition. It includes everything you need to clean, condition, and protect your instrument's fretboard. F1 oil is perfect for all unfinished fretboards, including rosewood, ebony, and maple. It uses 100% natural oils and is lemon oil, petroleum, and wax-free, ensuring the best care for your instrument. This petroleum-free polish cleans and polishes all frets quickly and safely. Its unique formula ensures a brilliant shine without damaging your frets. The innovative handle keeps your hands out of the way. The curved angle contours to all fretboards, and it comes in 3 sizes to fit all fret slot sizes. This cloth is specially designed to work with the fine fret polish. It's machine washable, making it easy to keep your fretboard looking its best. All components are inside the tube. This kit is formulated with care in the USA. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive fretboard care solution, including a unique fret polish and fretboard guards. If you have a variety of fretboards to care for, including maple, rosewood, and ebony, this is the perfect kit. It will make your fretboard look brand new. What people say. The fretboard oil makes the fretboard look brand new. The fret polish is awesome as well. Really brings the shine back and you don't have to go crazy with the rubbing. After removing the strings I went to work, polishing the frets and the space between them. I hadn't realized the extent of the buildup on the fretboard. The whole process took less than an hour and you could notice a real improvement in the appearance of the fretboard. Even better, I found playing to be notably easier and smoother, like having a new guitar. Number 3. MusicNomad MN108 Guitar Cleaning and Care Kit. This 5-piece kit from MusicNomad gives your guitar a complete spot treatment. It's designed for acoustic, electric, and bass guitars, covering everything from the body to the fretboard and hardware. Guitar 1 is perfect for everyday cleaning of gloss finishes. This unique formula cleans, polishes, and waxes in one step. It's safe for plastic, nitrocellulose, and polyurethane finishes. The polish formulation restores and revives dull, hazy, scratched, and scuffed gloss finishes. It can even polish nickel and chrome hardware, but avoid using it on gold or matte finishes. F1 oil uses 100% natural oils to clean and condition your fretboard. It's safe for all unfinished fretboards, including rosewood, ebony, maple, and even exotic woods. The kit includes 2 16-inch x 12-inch lint-free, washable premium microfiber cloths. These cloths help you apply the cleaners and polishes effectively. Proudly formulated in the USA, this kit is used by musicians and touring techs in over 40 countries. It's a product from a 100% USA-owned small business located in Sonoma, California. What we like. This kit provides a complete cleaning and care solution for your entire guitar. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for your guitar's body, neck, and fretboard, this is the perfect kit. It is safe for all finishes and will keep your guitar looking its best. What people say. The Fretboard Cleaner effectively removes grime and buildup. It leaves the fretboard looking clean and refreshed. The product is easy to use and apply. Number 2. SAPHUE Guitar String Cleaner. This guitar string cleaner is designed to keep your strings clean. It helps extend their lifespan and preserves the original tone. It cleans all around the strings and frets. With an ergonomic handle, it's a handy gadget for cleaning your strings and fretboard. You can use it anywhere because it's portable and easy to use. It's lightweight and practical, making it convenient to carry with your guitar. The dual-sided string cleaner is made of durable microfiber material. You'll be amazed by its excellent cleaning effect. You won't have to worry about dust on your guitar again. It provides 360-degree cleaning for your guitar or bass, making it more efficient and saving you time. The superfine fiber mat is easy to clean and great for long-term use with low maintenance. This string scrubber is great for acoustic, bass, and electric guitars. It can be used on various instruments, including acoustic guitars, electric guitars, and basses. What we like. This tool is designed to clean both your strings and fretboard, ensuring a comprehensive clean. If you like a quick and easy way to clean your strings and fretboard, you should consider this. It's portable and will keep your guitar sounding its best. What people say. The Fretboard Cleaner effectively removes grime and buildup. It leaves the fretboard looking clean and refreshed. The product is easy to use and apply. Number 1. Dunlop Formula 65 Guitar Fingerboard Care Kit. This kit from Dunlop provides everything you need for basic fingerboard care. It's designed to keep your guitar's fretboard in top condition, ensuring optimal playability and sound. Inside, you'll find a complete cleaning solution for your guitar's fingerboard. This product helps remove dirt and grime, restoring the wood's natural beauty and feel. The kit also includes a 100% cotton polishing cloth. Use it to gently wipe away any residue and give the fingerboard a smooth, clean finish. This is a genuine Dunlop guitar care and maintenance product. You can trust the quality and effectiveness of this kit to protect your instrument. The package dimensions are 5.1 by 3.9 by 2.0 inches, and it weighs only 0.53 pounds. It's a compact and convenient solution for all your fingerboard care needs. The kit comes with care instructions, making it easy to use. Follow the simple steps to maintain your guitar's fingerboard and keep it in excellent condition. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for basic fingerboard care. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to maintain your fretboard, this is the perfect choice. It includes a polishing cloth and care instructions, making it easy to use. What people say. The Fretboard Cleaner effectively removes grime and buildup. It leaves the fretboard looking clean and refreshed. The product is easy to use and apply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.